Tailwind crash course. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tailwind CSS is an open-source CSS framework. Unlike other frameworks, like Bootstrap, it does not provide a series of predefined classes for elements such as buttons or tables. Instead, it creates a list of utility CSS classes that can be used to style each element by mixing and matching. The tools we need for Tailwind include a text editor like VS Code and installing Tailwind with npm or using CDN script. For example, using CDN, go to VS Code and create a project HTML. Now go to Tailwind's web and click Play CDN, and then copy the HTML script provided by Tailwind. After that, open your project on website to see the result. Now, if you want to see the cheat sheet for Tailwind, go to your browser and search Tailwind cheat sheet. Open the website and you'll find a lot of Tailwind cheat sheet ready to use. For example, using text color and typography section. Just search the right syntax to use and copy the syntax. For example, using text gray 600. Go to your project and paste it to class that you want to change. Now save your project and then go open your project in browser to see the result.